This is Rod from Mount Washington Sewer and Drain Cleaning. We're at the White Mountain Community College. We just opened up the sewer line with the big DM55. I'm seeing the steam coming up from the sewer. There's multiple bends that make it hard to push this camera all the way through. So we're at basically 79 feet. We're over by the ASE certified area where the men's bathroom is, 322, and we are down all the way towards the kitchen and welding area by the kitchen back doors area. So we're going to perform the inspection back from this point here. It looks like the clog is gone and everything is moving. There's heavy scale built up down that way. Making a little bit of a turn here. The Y at 68 feet, so that's got to be pretty close to that corner down there.
Baking bread. See the new Mexican places got their cement board and got a outside patio going.
Yep. Well, they've been staying busy, which is good.
Yep. Busy as hell.
I do their drains down in North Conway.
Do you? I don't know who did take over the Burger King building.
Yeah, another Asian buffet.
Yeah, that's what
Which is weird because we already got one. So were they like, oh, the other one was so disgusting, let's open this one? Or did the family
No, they
get
have
the
no
fight?
affiliation. They put a thing in the paper that they got nothing to do with them.
If they put that in there, that's kind of like a
Yeah, I know.
slap.
Slap slam.
Like, huh.
Yeah, they did that in the local paper Thursday.
I hope it's good.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, buffets is always something okay.
And then Mr. Pizza, they're supposed to open what, this weekend?
Probably.
I think.
Very good. Good that we're getting some restaurants around here because we've had nothing, but still nothing's opening in Berlin.
You got that right.
The sign's gone off of here.
Is it going for sale sign?
I think so.
Probably somebody bought it. Somebody bought the rooster in Bethel for $980,000 and now it's called Willie's Grill.
Really?
It's open.
That's
good stuff in. I used to go to the rooster a lot.
I was there once, I think like 8 years ago or something like that.
They used to go there off and on. You go to Juan Williams and Butcher Burger and all of that. I'm not big on the Sunday River Brewhouse place, so I don't think it's really
Now, breweries are just, they're more for like their beer.
Yeah.
And if there's food there, well, so be it.
No, the Copper Pig in Lancaster.
Yep.
They got some good tacos.
Yep.
I like their beer, so I go in there once in a while.
Like I said, I wouldn't mind a Texas Roadhouse up here.
Texas Roadhouse.
Probably wouldn't survive.
Yeah.
No. It's like all of the guys here.
Yep. You have Gordon Ramsay up here with the best cooks and the best steaks, and they'll say it's too expensive and not go.
Yep. Yep. Good meal, go over to Twin Mountain or Monroe's. That's where I go a lot.
Yeah, we go there for breakfast. They're pretty good.
I like that place. It's not bad at all.
Sometimes it's just packed, which is tough.
That's the trouble over there. They've gotten really, when the tourists start coming in, you can't get in half the time.
Yes.
We saw a couple of people parking like in ditches when we drove past the waterfront.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna see them packed up here today, this weekend. 4-wheelers will be pictures.
Oh yeah, they made their appearance yesterday.
I gotta go put signs up on my driveway, stay the hell off it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I already hear him flying by my house.
That way.
The Blue House down here is packed full of trucks with 4 wheels on trailers, the ones that they rent out. So yeah, I was surprised, I went up 110